This is your conductor, and I'd like to welcome you aboard the JJ Express for your round-trip tour. Our journey today will take us through Amberville and into Jurassic Valley, home of the dinosaurs. Our park paleontologist, Dr. Jane, has a brand new dig site to share, as well as a few fun facts along the way. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your ride aboard the JJ Express. As we pull out of the station, be sure to wave to all the high flyers on Lori's magical flight. Amberville is full of amazing attractions, including bowling, an amazing model railroad, and so much more. Up ahead on your left, you'll see the boat pond, where you can navigate your very own motorboat. With Amberville behind us, we're about to enter Jurassic Valley. Be sure to keep your eyes open. You never know where you'll find a dinosaur. Like the big purple fella straight ahead. Dr. Jane, what can you tell us?
Hello, JJ Express. You're about to pass under an Alamosaurus, one of the largest North American dinosaurs. These sauropods were known to grow up to 100 feet long. That's almost the length of 2.5 school buses.
Seems like we got another dino sighting coming up on our right-hand side.
This is Trixie the Triceratops. Triceratops is ancient Greek for three-horned face. Trixie likes to take a little nap after eating, so let's keep quiet and not wake her up. And if you look to the left, you'll see the mighty but gentle Stegosaurus.
Dr. Jane, we should be coming up on your new dig site, but all I see is a waterfall.
Don't worry, our site is a newly discovered cave behind the falls.
Well, thanks for inviting us, Dr. Jane. It's been a great adventure. As we pull back into Jurassic Junction, be sure to remain seated until the train has come to a complete stop. Please enjoy the rest of your stay in Amberville, and be sure to say hello to Mayor Clayton if you see him. Have a great day, everyone.